Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is actually probably going to be my last video before this assignment is due. I mean, who knows, maybe I'll just pump a couple out this weekend, I don't know. Regardless, very exciting. I can't believe it's finally here. Today is April 25th, and this project, like, we present it on May 9th, which is my grandpa's birthday. Happy birthday, Grandpa. He'll be 60. So that's a big birthday, and I'll be presenting this. Oh well, we're gonna celebrate that weekend. But yeah, it's been a wild ride, this whole project. Also very interesting to kind of see. I recently kind of went back and watched some of my old ones, and I'm not so nervous anymore. I mean, I'm always nervous and always sweaty, but it's a little bit better now, a little bit. I'm more comfortable with the whole process. It's that's really good. I actually compiled everything about this project into a blog, and that's what I'm going to be presenting. And it's got a couple links to my YouTube and my Instagram page and stuff like that, but I'm just going to be presenting the blog. So I'll actually put that in the description so you can look at it and read if you want. I actually have pictures of services that I did. I have Alexis's prom makeup, SB, I did her makeup before we went to lunch one day. I have Meredith, I did her makeup for a formal, and I have one of my sisters, Madison, when I did her makeup. So if you're watching this and I've done your makeup, check it out in the blog. Oh, Allison's in it too. What's up? So yeah, check it out if you want, if you're interested, and if you're free on May 9th after 7 p.m., come by UTD. Come see me. I kind of want to vlog that night, but I don't know if I'll be able to walk around. So maybe if you come by, I'll be hey, go do a lap with my camera. I don't know. We'll figure it out. There's gonna be a lot going on, but it's gonna be great. Today I used the Anastasia Sultry palette because it's just have you noticed a trend? I like the sparkles. If you don't know me, now you do. I just like glitter. So yes, I wanted to create, I really like doing kind of smoky eyes, but I also been really into neutrals lately, so I wanted to kind of do a softer smoky. I only used a little bit of black, not a whole lot. Normally I use a lot more black than this for my smoky eye. Oh, what's she doing? Wow, I love this lipstick. It's so pretty. So anyway, get a little distracted. Follow along. Just a really quick neutral smoky, I guess, tutorial. I don't like calling them that. It's just a video. But I know I need a more descriptive title than that. Regardless, that's all I've got today. I feel this one's going to be kind of decently short, which is fine. I mean, short videos get watched faster, I suppose. Anyway, stay tuned and let's get this thing rolling. I'm going to be using my new NYX Glitter Gold lipstick in the shade Crystal Crush. This is actually kind of new. It's not that new. I've actually had a couple colors for a while, but this one's really pretty. See, it's kind of a red. And as you just saw, it's brand new. I haven't used it. Okay, so now I'm gonna let this dry. But yeah, this is what we went for today. I'm actually, okay, so about to graduate, all of that. I'm actually kind of thinking about adding to this channel and doing like whatever Wednesday, because like I want to keep learning things after I'm done with school. And I have a tendency to, when like I learn about one thing, like I just read and find as much as I possibly can about it. And so I've been thinking about doing that after I graduate, but in like putting it in a blog and then just like having that whatever. But I thought maybe like a once a week or like once a month or whatever, I don't know, video where I just kind of like talk about the stuff that I've been like reading about, whatever, could be fun. So kind of diversify my content post-grad, because this channel won't have to be so narrow. Anyway, it's an idea. I recently did a project on a 115-year-old abandoned hotel in Dallas, and that was super cool, and that's kind of what sparked my I want to keep doing this type thing. And then I think what I'm actually going to start on this weekend is, it's about a movie called The Inventor. It just came out in March on HBO, but my psychology of creativity professor told us about it, and like we watched the trailer in class. Oh, there you go. But it's super interesting, very intriguing, and I want to watch it this weekend and then like read more. I'm sure there are books and stuff, so yeah, we'll see. But anyway, okay, so this lipstick is dry. Way close on my face, I'm sorry. So now you smack your lips. Ooh. So now I've got like gold glitter on top of red lipstick. It is so pretty. I had this in pink and purple, and then kind of like a red with a pink glitter, and now I have the red with the gold glitter. So yeah, I matched the backdrop. So anyway, thank you so much for following along. Glad to be back. I know it's been a while, sorry. And I'll see you very soon.